respected Chief Guest Sri Vivek Tanthaji sir, distinguished guests, respected parents, dedicated teachers, and our talented graduating designers. A very warm welcome to all of you to the 10th successful graduation ceremony of IDH. Today is not just a convocation ceremony, it is a celebration of dreams, creativity, hard work, and transformation. It marks the beginning of a new journey of every student sitting here, a journey where imagination will become innovation and passion will become purpose. It is our immense honor and privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Sri Vivek Tanthaji sir. Your inspiring leadership, dedication to society, and remarkable achievements continue to motivate young minds across the nation. Your presence today adds great value and inspiration to this special occasion. On behalf of the entire institution, sir, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and warmest welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Today is a proud moment for the entire IDA family as we celebrate the success of our graduating students and the continued growth of our institution. With 20 plus branches across India, IDA has consistently worked towards providing world-class design education and global opportunities. We are privileged to have been associated with Bergamo Milan, Italy, ISW Washington, USA, and STM Paris, world's most respected names in fashion and design education, bringing International Design Academy methodologies and global industry exposure to our students. We are proud to announce that many of our students have secured employment, while others have started successfully launched their startups during their academic journey. To our graduating designers, my dear students, today you step into a world that is waiting for your ideas, your creativity, and your vision. Design is not only about fashion, architecture, interior graphics, or aesthetics. It is about changing perspectives, solving problems, and creating experiences that leave an impact on society. Remember, the world does not remember people who followed trends blindly. It remembers those who had the courage to create new ones. Every sketch you draw, every space you design, every outfit you create, and every concept you imagine has the power to influence and shape the future. There will be challenges ahead, there will be moments of doubt, competition, and setbacks. But never allow fear to be stronger than your dreams. Success belongs to those who stay consistent, keep learning, and continue creating even when the journey becomes difficult. That is something extremely powerful within you. That is creativity. And creativity, when combined with discipline and confidence, can transform the world. Today is also a moment to express the deepest gratitude to the parents. Dear parents, behind every successful student is a family that believed in them, supported them, and stood beside them through every struggle and achievement. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and unconditional love have made this moment possible. This success belongs to you as much as it belongs to your children. So I want all my students to give a big applause for all your parents who are present here today with us. To our respected teachers and mentors, thank you for not only teaching skills but also nurturing confidence, discipline, and vision in these students. You have guided them with patience, inspired them with knowledge, and helped shape their future with dedication and care. Your contribution to their success will always be remembered. Dear graduates, as you receive your degree today, remember that this certificate is not the end of education. It is the beginning of a responsibility. Go out into the world with confidence, humility, and courage. Create with purpose, lead with integrity, and most importantly, never stop believing in your potential. Dream big, design fearlessly, and leave behind a legacy that inspires generations to come. Today we extend our sincere gratitude to all the members of media and press who have graciously joined us today. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. We truly appreciate your presence.
Sorry.
Thank you.